So looking at some of our website and sales funnel templates built on System EIO on the Funnel Vibe Marketplace. So let's look at this women coaching website with blog template, for example. Ever wondered how you can add social media icons to your page, or how you can change the color of the social media icons to suit your brand colors? Well, in today's video, we will show you how, or I will show you how. All right, let's get to it. To get this social media icons, we use Canva. All right. So if you get to Canva, create a design, say Instagram post square. Okay, so we've got our blank Instagram canvas. So select elements, and let's say the first element we're looking for is Facebook icon. Just need to put in Facebook, enter, and let's say see all, and let's choose that one. Okay, so with this graphic you can change the color, which is that, and let's change it to one of our colors or any color that you want. Okay, so that's that one. The next element, let's say Instagram, there we go. See all, let's choose that one. Okay, so again you can change the color to whatever color you want. Let's put that by the side there. I try and make it the same size, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so the next one, let's say in Twitter, for example, Twitter. So let's choose that one. Okay, right, so let's change the color to our brown color, and there we go. Right, so we've got all the icons that we need for our page. And what we do now is we download it. So download it as a PNG, but with a transparent background. Okay, we don't want this white background, we want a transparent background. So select download. Now when it downloads the entire canvas. Though this bit will be transparent, it will download the entire canvas. So what do I mean by that? I'll show you. So open the file. So I am using a Mac. Yeah, so I'm using a Mac. Where is it? Let me get to it. Right, there we go. So that's the file. So this entire thing is the image, but what we do want is we want specifically each of the icons. So because like I said, I'm using the Mac, so I've opened the file and I'm able to crop this particular graphic. Okay, so I select it, I crop it, and then I select edit, cut, then file, new from clipboard, and that particular icon is cropped and I can save it. So let's say I save it. There we go. I save it as Facebook icon. Right, my downloads. Beautiful. I had it before, so replace the name. Awesome. I do the same thing for Instagram. All right, the Instagram icon, crop it. Oops. Do that again. There we go. So edit, cut, file, new from clipboard, and I give it a name. Instagram icon. Beautiful. And I do the same thing for this Twitter icon. There we go. So edit, cut, file, new from clipboard, and I'm able to save that as Twitter icon. All right. So now that I've got all my icons, so I go back to system, and on system, this is the back end of my landing page that I want to put my icons on. Okay, now I go on I select 3 columns, and within the middle of this column I put another 3 columns in here, right? Because I just want the icons all tied together. But you notice that the row is not in line with this first row. That's because of the padding. So if I select that and I remove the bottom padding, I remove the top padding, and yeah, that's good. So it's on the same line. Cool. Now the icons are images, so I look for image elements on system IO and I put that there, and then I select upload the particular icon. So I'm looking for my Facebook icon that we just created. So select file, Facebook icon, open. Voila. Okay, next do the same thing for my next icon. So image, select, upload file, select file, and Instagram I want, open. Set. There we go. Do the same thing for the third one. Select file, Twitter, open, insert. Voila. So I save that, and let's have a view of it, a preview of it. Beautiful. So there you go. You can reduce the size of the icons if you want. So let's reduce them to, let's say, 50. There we go. Reduce each one of them to 50. Reduce each one of them to 50. Save. View it. Beautiful. All right. Now, I've shown you how to add the icons on the page. So but if you want to change the color, it's as simple as going to Canva, where we are. There we go. So going to Canva, changing the color. So you want to change it to red, for example. Changing the color of the icons. Each of the icons. Ooh, that red is so bright. Let's change it to orange. All right, orange, orange, and do the very same thing you just did. Yeah. Download the file. Transparent background, don't forget PNG, download. Once it's downloaded, open the file, okay, and then crop it. So it's the same thing you do. I'll just do this first one. All right, edit, cut, file, new from clipboard, and let's change the name. All right, let's just call it Facebook. There we go. And then on system, that's our backend system. There we go. Get the icon you want to change. Upload. Okay, so select the file. Select file. Facebook. Open. Insert. Voila. All right. So I've shown you how to add social media icons on your page and how to change the color of the social media icons to your brand color if you want to. Okay, so check out our website and sales funnel templates built on system EIO. We're on the Funnel Vibe marketplace, so we have a plethora of templates for you so that you can launch your website or launch your sales funnel quickly and with ease. And if you would like to see how to create link in bio pages, like a Linktree alternative on system, check out this video.